really don't know very much about Zoids, but I've always liked them. My dad used to get me Zoids at this little Japanese toy store right outside of Chicago when I was little. And here's the instruction book. Now, the one pictured on this cover here looks exactly like the one that I had as a kid. This is it, so that's kind of cool that this was in here. All the little connector things, I remember the ones I had as a kid, I just used to chew on these constantly. Yeah, that was safe. Here's the sticker sheet, which is awesome. This was another thing that I always loved about Zoids as a kid. They always had like such an abundance of stickers, and I liked stickers back then, and I like them now. This is my favorite way to get these type of pieces off. Whee! Haha! Whee! Haha! Whee! Alright guys, let's put this son of a bitch together. And he's done! Oh, I haven't put the stickers on yet! Because of the stickers, my opinion of this figure goes from mediocre to awesome! I know I put most of the stickers on really crappy, but truly, adding those extra little details to this thing makes all the difference. Everything is better with stickers. Okay, I guess that's it for now. Thanks for watching, everybody, all the best, and bye for now!
All of this by Oldphan.